In this video, I'm going to show you several ways in which you can make money online with TikTok. It doesn't matter really where you are, you can always use TikTok, but I'm going to show you how you can make money with it. Hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you several ways in which you can make money online with TikTok. And by the way, guys, these are actually free ways in which you can make money with it. Okay, this is really TikTok. As you can see, it's a network in which people are looking for ways to get entertained. People are looking for ways to learn. And these are really short videos. By the time I'm recording this actual video, some creators have the opportunity to record quote unquote longer videos, which are 3-minute videos, but usually people are looking to watch 60-second videos or less. Okay, people can be recording or doing things like this or other things that are less complicated. The app, because this is an actual app, it's available on iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android cell phone. You can actually download it. It's available free. And it's actually really funny. It's funnier when you look at it on your cell phone rather if you look at it on your actual computer. Okay. So let me show you the very first way in which you can make money with TikTok. And by the way, guys, you can create the channel with the topic that you want. If you are really good with stand-up comedy, go ahead with stand-up comedy. If you're really good at teaching someone, maybe because you like cooking, go ahead with cooking. Okay. So the very first way in which you can actually monetize TikTok, it's by going live. Okay. If you have an audience, you can go live on TikTok and they can send you gifts and coins. Okay. Yeah. To put it in a way or in a simple perspective, TikTok has their own cryptocurrency. Okay. You can buy the TikTok coins and, well, in this case, you're not going to buy it. So people are going to buy it and they're going to send it to you and you can withdraw the money via PayPal. Okay. The only requirement here is that you need to be at least 18 years old. Okay. That's the only thing. If you are underage, unfortunately, you cannot apply this strategy. Okay. So if you have an audience, go live, talk to them and receive the coins. That's it. Remember that you can withdraw it via PayPal. If you want to get more information about this, you can go to tiktok.com/legal/virtual items. Okay, and you're gonna have more information about how the coins works, how people can purchase it, and how you can actually withdraw it. Remember, by the time recording this video, you need to be at least 18 years old in order to be able to use this way to monetize it. Remember that I told you that you can create a channel based basically on whatever. Well, this lady actually created a channel and she is the keto queen. She has over 600,000 followers and you can see so far 6 million likes. Okay, her videos are really short and the only thing that she gives you guys are her testimonials and different receipts about keto. Okay, so if you are into keto diet, good for you. Okay, so again, these are really short videos who are looking to connect with people. And as you can see, you guys can contact her on Instagram, but she also have a link here. She is promoting her own products and services. And so another way that you can do it is by that. If you have certain knowledge, certain expertise, you can be a coach, you can be a mentor. Okay, if you are really good and you are teaching people something about services, and trust me, there are TikTok channels, for example, about graphic design, about web design, about editing videos. Okay, you can offer your services, or if you have a course, you can do it. But if you don't have a course or you don't want to create your own product, your own service, and you don't want to deal with customer service, Another way you can do it is actually with something that it's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just that you are going to be promoting someone else's products, but this needs to be related to a niche. Let's say that I don't want to be the keto queen, but my niche is going to be health and fitness. And I'm going to focus on people who are looking for diets or they want to lose weight. So I can go to a website such as clickbank.com. And if for certain reason ClickBank is not available in your area, you can always go to an alternative such as Digistore24, and you are going to have several product sets, okay, that you are going to get a commission. Yeah, you're going to get paid if someone decides to click, in this case, on this link on your TikTok account and they decide to go ahead and purchase. For example, if someone decides to buy this product, the Okinawa flat belly tonic, you're gonna get paid $145 with 82 cents. If someone go with the smoothie diet 21-day rapid weight loss program, you're gonna get paid $28.77. If hey, this lady, she might be promoting this one, custom keto diet, $51.03. So there are a lot of products on these networks such as ClickBank or Digistore. The strategy here, guys, is that you need to be specific, okay? You need to be talking to a certain niche, because if, for example, you're doing a stand-up today, tomorrow you're talking about how to lose weight, the next day you're talking about designing skills, people are not understand exactly what you're going to be talking about, so you're not going to get that many followers. And the other thing is that chances are that I might be interested maybe on the keto diet. Let's say that you're going to go with the keto diet, right? But your link, it's about a program or a graphic design program or something like that, then people are not gonna connect it and you're not gonna make any sale. So you need to narrow it, you need to niche down, okay? Another cool way in which you can actually make money with TikTok, it's by selling merchandise. Okay, a great platform in which you can actually go with, it's Teespring, or also you can create an account on Redbubble. Okay, so you can create your own merchandise and you can sell it, as you can see here. You can sell it on TikTok. Okay, you can actually create t-shirts, caps. Okay, you name it. You're gonna have tons of things that you can actually sell with your own brand, with your own look and feel. So a great way to do it, it's by going to a website like Teespring. Okay, now let's say that you have a decent amount of following and it's really easy to create a huge following on TikTok. You can provide a service. Okay, you can provide a service. Okay, what you can do? Well, you can sell shout outs. Okay, you can sell shout outs. For example, this lady, she's gonna help you grow your TikTok account because she have 2 million fans that she grow them organically. If you are, if you like music, for example, this lady, if you pay her $55, she's gonna help you promote a song to she have 450,000 followers on TikTok. Okay, so the other thing is that if you already have a niche, you can let people know, like, hey, if you are looking to sell your weight loss product, using the example that I was using before, I can help you sell your weight loss product because I have a following or XYZ amount of on followers on TikTok, and I can give you guys a shout out. The more specific, okay, the more money you can charge. So as you can see, we have people here charging $100, $250, $5, $100. Okay, you name it. Okay, this is a great way. So you can give shout outs to brands. You can give shout outs to, retailers who are looking to put themselves out there. Okay, so another way in which you can actually make money online. And I'm gonna be doing a little pause here. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna be helping me. It's gonna be helping my video. It's gonna be helping my channel. Also, guys, please let me know if you're already using TikTok. Okay, and type your TikTok username so we can start following each other. Leave it in the comment area, and I'd be more than happy to follow you guys. And other people who are actually gonna be watching this video are gonna be following you as well. Okay, and keep watching this video because I'm gonna be showing you several ways to make money in TikTok, but at the end I'm gonna show you another way in which you can actually make more money online, but that's gonna be at the end of the video. Okay, if you all have a great amount of followers, you can be part of the creator marketplace. Okay, this is something that TikToks create. You are gonna get an invitation, so it's not that so far things can change in the future. Right now, it's not that you are gonna visit the TikTok creator marketplace and you're gonna create your account and people are gonna find you. Okay, depending on the amount of following, and again, this is why it's really important for you to have a niche. TikTok is going to invite you to be part of their creator marketplace, so they're gonna be helping brands making deals with TikTok creators. How much money you can make with this? Well, there are people who are actually earning $500 and also even $1,000 just for a 1-minute video. So this is the reason why it's really, really important to be specific and to be niche down. By the way, guys, if you want to create a media kit, you can go to a website. You can go to canva.com. You can find here a media kit and you can find different templates. Okay, you can find different templates, so you're gonna have an idea of different media kits, and you can do this is my niche, this is my following, this is how much money I charge, these are the services that I offer. Maybe you offer a shout out, I don't know. It's actually depending up to you if you want to actually do this. Well, not so long ago, I told you that there are several ways to make money online. So if you want to make passive income, maybe, you want to create, an empire using TikTok, but you want to do it passively. You want to make money while you travel. You want to make money while you sleep. I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description with my #1 recommendation to make money online. Please, guys, make sure that you're gonna be clicking that video. I don't want you to miss that opportunity. Give yourself the opportunity to reach the freedom that you deserve. Okay, so click the link below with my #1 recommendations to make money online. Also, remember, if you enjoy this content, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna be helping me. It's gonna be helping my video. It's gonna be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And remember, comment what's your TikTok account. Okay, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to follow you. So I see you on the next video.